Hey everyone, Chris 70 with 70 Investments and co-host of the Good Deeds No Investing podcast. Hey, just sitting here out at lunchtime and thinking about some posts I just saw recently about borrower outreach. And I wanted to just touch base with people and kind of give a comment because starting to see, I think, more people start to do some of the borrower outreach, which, not a problem. And it's really an option where I think you can get resolved to issues much quicker versus using the servicer, but it's a cost. The servicing cost incrementally is not much more to have them do the outreach, but do you have the time to do it and take advantage of that time to try and get workouts and payment plans done faster? One thing I'd recommend from anybody who is interested in starting to do borrow workouts is take a training. I took one through ACA, which is ACA International, which I think is American Council and Credit. Forget whatever it stands for, but if you Google ACA International, they've got different web courses. And I took one on debt collection, fair debt collection, the FDCPA Act, which basically tells you what you can say to a borrower, how often you can contact them, what you should do, what you can and can't say, what you can say to other family members. So very informative, highly recommend it. It doesn't take long. It's probably a few days of webinars and stuff you watch. You can watch it online at your own pace and get a lot of handouts and stuff like that as well. And you get a certificate at the end of taking the training. And they've got other advanced training certificates as well that you could take. Typically, my guess is servicers and other individuals, debt collectors, actually take this and take advanced courses in it. But I would definitely, if you're just starting out, recommend getting involved in that so you truly understand what you can and can't do and say if you're going to start borrow reach out. So thanks for watching today, and again, make sure to check us out in the next episode of the Good Deeds No Investing podcast. Thanks, have a good day.